In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use XLookup in LibreOffice Calc. XLookup is a powerful, flexible function that lets you find a value in one range and return a related value from another range. It's designed to be simpler and more reliable than older lookup functions, and you don't need your data sorted for it to work. Here's the core idea. The syntax is equals XLookup, open parenthesis, value, semicolon, lookup range, semicolon, result range, close parenthesis. Written out, that's each XLookup value, lookup range, result range. The value is what you're searching for. The lookup range is where you want to find it, and the result range is where the answer will be pulled from. Make sure the lookup range and result range are the same size and shape. Mismatched ranges will cause errors. Let's walk through a simple example so it clicks. Imagine a small table with two columns. In column A, you have IDs, 1001, 1002, and 1003. In column B, you have corresponding names, apple, banana, and orange. So A2 to A4 are the IDs, and B2 to B4 are the names. If you want to look up the name for ID 1002, click into the cell where you want the answer and type X lookup 1002, A2 A4, B2 B4. Press enter and you'll see the result, banana. Here's what happened. XLookup searched the lookup range A2 through A4 until it found 1002. Then it moved over to the matching position in the result range B2 through B4 and returned the value in that same relative position, which is banana. A few practical notes to make your lookup smooth. Instead of typing the number 1002 directly, you can reference a cell that contains the ID you want to search for. That makes your formula reusable, especially if you plan to copy it down. Also, watch out for data types. If your IDs are stored as text in one place and as numbers in another, the match won't be found. You can quickly test this by aligning formats or removing extra spaces. By default, LibreOffice uses semicolons between arguments, as you see here. If your locale uses commas, Calc will handle that automatically, but typing semicolons is usually the safest option. XLookup returns the first exact match it finds, and your data doesn't need to be sorted. It works vertically or horizontally, depending on the shapes of your ranges. That's the essentials of XLookup in LibreOffice Calc. A clean, three-argument formula that reliably connects one column to another,